In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a yin-yang symbol using the Shape Builder tool in Adobe Illustrator. The first thing you want to do is open Adobe Illustrator and create a new project. You can go to File, New, or you can use the shortcut Control-N. We're going to name this project Yin Yang. The profiles should be set to web, and keep everything as the default settings and click OK. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is save this to our network folder. So you can go to File, Save As, or use the keyboard shortcut Shift-Control-S. Make sure that you find your network folder, the one that has the green symbol and your name. Go into your digital graphics folder and save it. Click OK. Great. Now you're going to use your ellipse tool to create a circle, the circle of the outer yin-yang symbol. Make sure that you use your shift key when you drag and make the circle. If not, it becomes an ellipse and you can make an oval. So if you, by holding the shift key, it keeps it a perfect circle. Great. Now we want to get and use another ellipse tool, and this one's very important. You really have to pay attention to where you start making the circle. That way your Shape Builder tool works perfectly. So click right in the middle of the top anchor. You see the square that pops up? That's your top anchor of that circle. Click, hold down your mouse and hold down Shift and drag to make the circle. And what we're looking for is a green guideline to pop up to show us the center of the circle. Once you see that green line, let go of your mouse, and then we're going to do the same to the anchor point at the bottom of the circle. Click directly in the middle of the anchor point. There we go. And then hold Shift and drag your mouse up until you see the green guideline on the right of the two circles. Now we want to put these circles in the middle, and we could drag them over, but the easier way to make sure that they are exactly in the middle is to select your entire shape and then go up here and click Horizontal Align Center. And it's going to shift those two circles that we made to the center of your outer circle. Now we're going to use the ellipse tool again to make a circle in the middle of this top circle. Hold your Shift key to make it perfect. Put it in the center of that circle. Use those guidelines that are available to you to find the center. And then you're going to hold down your mouse, hold down Alt, and drag to make a copy of that circle. Make sure it too is aligned in the center. Look for your guidelines. There we go. So now we're ready to use the Shape Builder tool. Before you use the Shape Builder tool, you have to use your selection tool to draw a box around your entire selection. Then you use the Shape Builder tool, and you can see that as I hover the mouse over each of these shapes, they will become highlighted in that gray color. That shows you what your shape would look like if you combined it together. So if we hold our mouse down on the circle and drag it to this shape, it's going to build the shape that we need for our yin-yang symbol. We're going to do the same on this side. Now we're ready to color. Use your selection tool and select the bottom shape and color it black. Select the top circle and color it black. Now we need to save again. And then we want to make sure that we export this as a JPEG or a PNG. We're going to choose to export this one as a PNG so it looks nice on our ePortfolio without that background. It'll have a transparent background. So you have to go to File, Export. Make sure that you're in your network folder, in your digital graphics folder. And then you're going to use this drop down Save As Type and select .png and save.